Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You're ready to send a voice message now. Open Messages and select the conversation. This puts you right where you need to be. Tap and hold the microphone icon to begin recording. This direct action captures your voice immediately, and sliding up locks it if you want hands-free. Make sure you gave microphone access in settings, because without permission, the system won't record. Once done, you'll see audio waveforms. This confirms capture and helps you preview before sending, so you avoid accidental silence or background noise. Now refine what you recorded. Tap play on the waveform to preview so you hear pacing and background sound. This step prevents surprises. If the clip is too long, hit trim and drag in points. This removes filler and sharpens your point. To discard, tap X. To send, tap the upward arrow. If you're using an external keyboard or accessibility features, lock recording and use the spacebar to pause and resume. This gives you controlled pacing and cleaner edits for a more professional-sounding message. Finish by tapping Send. The message transmits over your chosen connection, so ensure Wi-Fi or cellular is active. Once sent, long press the audio to save, forward, or transcribe, useful for keeping important details. If the recipient can't play it, make sure your network is stable, their speaker isn't muted, and iOS audio settings aren't restricting playback. If recordings won't start or messages fail, restart messages. Toggle microphone permission in settings, and then try again. This often.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.